is CC, cycle 1, week 9, for the scripture memory for Exodus 20. And we are finishing out verse 5. It was a longer verse. The words are to the third and fourth generations of those who hate me. So we're not going to worry about catching in on third and fourth because it's just going to get really fast. We're just going to do the sign for generations, which has, movement. You take flat hands like this and you go like this out into time. It's an ASL, time moves forward in front of you. The future's in front of you and the past is behind you. So we just came from punishing the children for the father's iniquities to the third and fourth generations of those who hate me. We're just going to do the sign for hate, which is taking your hands like this and flicking them, but we're going to do it back at yourself because God is speaking and he's saying to those who hate me. So to the third and fourth generations of those who hate me. Okay, here it is.
Generation children for the father's iniquity to the third and fourth generations of those who hate me.
Okay, that's week 9.